So howdy folks, we're doing a quick engine test. We've got the new 24 by 12 prop on the front, nose looking good with the nose cone on. Large ratchet strap tied back to a baggage weigher to get some idea of what sort of thrust we've got. So it's, as you can see it, as you pull, that should move. We haven't fired her up yet, so see what happens. I got a bit of a brown out issue with the receiver, so I've got to change the beck in it to a more powerful one. But I probably ended up just doubling it up anyway. So let's plug it on 8S and see what happens.
You've got enough for 12S?
Yeah, I got another battery. Yeah.
Alright.
Right, you hold that.
I got that. That worked.
So that was 3/4 throttle. And we've got, that hasn't reset itself.
Has it nearly hit 5 kilos?
No, the bloody wasset pin keeps going back with it.
Oh, that's not very clever, is it? Cheap Asda stuff, isn't it?
Cheap Asda, bloody. To try that again, take the weight off. So, engine test number 2.
Right, I'll hold that again. Get back into my safety area. Oh, nearly fell over. Right, yeah.
Right. Sorry folks, I'm now going to set this camera up.
So we can record what we're getting.
As we record what we're getting, yeah.
How are we going to do that? Do you want me to do that?
Yeah, I might as well.
I can be a special camera holder.
Camera holder, yeah, just don't press the top button.
Right, if
Right,
I
you
go
got
like that, I got that,
front
I
and
got
back,
that. Yeah, I'm front and back now.
Sorry, if I put that one.
Put that one in the, just hope it don't get sucked in. Yeah, hi. How you doing? Professional camera mount here. Very expensive camera mount. 'Right.
That's got to be. That was definitely round.
That was past 5. That was closer to 7.
5, 6, 7. So I would say it was like 3 o'clock.
You reckon? Well, leave that. Put that to there. Right.
More than that.
No. But what I'm saying is, put that to there and try it again. Because now it should hold back, shouldn't it?
Yeah, it seems to do it. But if you go, I'll try and letting off the power quicker, so it kind of snaps.
Yeah. Right, I'll leave that like that, and then we'll see what we get. I could probably just stand here.
Yeah, I suppose I can do the bit.
You can do that little bit. I'll stand here and GoPro this. Round like that. I'll get sucked in a minute.
Get a side shot. You're having a waz in the edge, yeah?
Yeah, that's me. Five kilos, 6. Yeah, 6 kilos.
Yeah.
6 kilos of thrust. How heavy is the plane?
Don't know.
How are we going to test that?
That thing. Hang it.
Hang it, yeah, I suppose that would work, wouldn't it? Yeah. Should we try 12S?
12S?
Yeah, I think we should try 12S because that was 6 kilos. 6 and a bit kilos.
I don't know what wattage we're pulling.
It is difficult. I was thinking that.
There's no way of doing it.
There is no way of doing the watts, is there?
No.
There would have been if you could have.
So I had a mod connector.
Yeah.
But that's not even toast. That's not even not there.
That's not even.
The main cable's a bit warm.
Yeah.
But the actual batteries themselves are chuffing cold.
Are they?
And the prop motor is cold as well. So.
Well, it's the amount of air it's stuffing behind it, so. Yeah, they're lovely, them, aren't they? Comfortable. Get the other one, get a 12 on it. I'll hold this here. It's got great wire placement there, look. Lovely tidy wires in there. And all down the back there.
Right, it's this one. It's not a match pair.
Isn't it? Haven't you
But
got
it's 35 to 45C.
And what are they?
60s. So they're not. Is it 60s or 50s? 60s. So they're not a million miles away.
No. Close enough, isn't it? Yep. Yeah, that's just said 12S. Oh my god. That was its exact words. Right, let's go back to here. There's 5, 6, 7, 8.
That was 3/4 throttle. I'm starting to pat myself so
That's going to go over 10. That's going to go well over 10 kilos of thrust.
Still cold, but that's only a little run in it, so.
Yeah. Go on, get it full throttle. Get it full throttle.
You reckon?
You got to test it.
Yeah.
You got to test it. You all right on it? It should be fine, shouldn't it, or not?
Yeah.
This is how you got to do it, isn't it?
I ain't doing any more than that. That still had a little bit more.
Did it?
Yeah.
I reckon you're going to be pushing 11 kilos of thrust.
Not too bad then.
No.
Just need to work out how the plane is.
Yeah. We need a step ladder.
Yeah, I got that amount of fun.
Yeah. We'd obviously have to.
It's starting to get a little bit warm. The batteries ain't even trying, so that's all right. Right.
Right.
Weighing scales.
Weighing scales. We got the weighers there.
Yeah.
Just got to figure out how to do it. I'll pause this one. 8 kilos of weight.
Yep.
9 kilos of weight. Roughly 9.
It's still not.
That's 1 to 1, mate. And we've got a bigger prop to put on.
Yeah, but I was going to say, I can't check the wattage. That's the main problem.
Well, how are we going to do that?
Difficulty. What is that? That's the loose one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fucking strap's humongous.
Something to do with the fact that he found it on the side of a road after it had fallen off the back of a lorry.
Literally.
Quite literally.
Right.
Right, let's see what this does. Right, it's off the deck. And it is 9 kilos.
9 kilos.
Yeah, so it's just over 1 to 1. 1.1 to 1. Yeah, 1.1 to 1.
Ain't bad then.
Yeah, 1.1 kilos of thrust to 1 kilo of weight.
That good?
Most people like to go for a 1-to-1 power ratio.
Yeah, well, suppose it'd do vertical, right, wouldn't it?
Well,
It'll hover.
yeah, you'll better huck it. You're definitely going to huck it.
I won't.
But the huck will be with an F. Oh, we didn't put the cover on.
Well, yes.
So it's about a kilo, so 1 to 1.
That's not nowhere near a kilo.
I reckon.
No. 300 grams tops.
Alright. 9.3 kilos. Got to be happy with that, haven't you?
Well, she's a bit of a beast.
It's a shame we can't do a watt test.
Yeah, I think that motor's 7,000 watts, 200 amps max.
Right.
It's only 160 amp ESC, so if that went more than that, it would stop anyway.
Yeah.
So it's under that.
And it'll be under the watts. 2,000, did you say?
7,000.
7,000 watts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be under that.
Well, yeah,
That's 7,000 kV. No. I don't know. I haven't got a clue.
No, it's not my area of expertise.
No, I'm not I'm...
Nothing is.
No. I do engines, not blooming wattage.
What's a hertz then?
4,000.
No, but what's 1 to 1?
Each engine produces 4,690 kilos of thrust. Times that by 4. So it's less than because it can. So because it's less. Because the 79 tons is its all like weight.
It's like 1 to 1 is supposed to be aerobatic, isn't it? Which
Yeah.
is what it is, so it's
Yeah.
starting to get annoying that little clip.
Why don't you just twit to the end?
Because I want it on that. I'll lose it otherwise.
Ah.
That is the first time we've used this.
Oh, is it? Right.
So we got chest cam.
Chest cam, yeah. Not that sort of chest. Yeah.
Yeah, at least that one's getting my own back.
Hey?
At least that one's getting my own back.
Yeah, I know. Let's look at it overhang.
Yeah.
Not crevices.
Right.
Yeah, cool.